tips that I recommend, that I use, that you can use for motivating or keeping motivated your virtual assistant or virtual staff. Okay, so cash bonuses are great. I mean, it's great if you give a cash bonus. Hey, here's another $50, $100. Here's a Christmas bonus, whatever it is. Or job well done, here's $50. But it doesn't have to be a cash bonus. Now, what I do, and something that I often suggest to people, is after your virtual assistant has worked for you for a certain period and you're happy and the relationship's going well, you could offer an incentive. So after 12 months, I will cover your internet costs and upgrade your package, or I'll give you a cable package for like $20 a month or $30 a month, bundled into the salary. So there's a lot of these little incentives that you can do, or you could give them a Lazada voucher. If if you're in the West, Lazada is basically Amazon in the Philippines. Okay, so you could give them a gift card, like a $20 gift card, a $50 gift card, so they can buy some items on Lazada. So that's something you can do. But these little bonuses, they keep people motivated, they keep morale going well, and they also, it's like the whole carrot and the stick thing. Offer an incentive, do the work well. You did really good. I love the work you've did over the last 6 months or 12 months. On top of the salary this month, I'm going to chuck in, a $50, 2,500 pesos gift card. Okay, so that's one of the things you could do. It's just an idea. There's plenty of these kind of things you could do. But yeah, and you don't have to, of course, under no obligation. But it's just my advice, just something you could do, something that might help increase your productivity and help keep the team going well, and all that type of thing. Anyway, see you on the next video.